Here we have another JMacPerformance engine build. This is a small block Chevy. It's a 383. It's got a SCAT bottom end kit. Has about 9.5 to 1 compression. It's got the World Products 200cc cylinder heads on it. HEI distributor. It's got a Demon carburetor. Take a look. It's got the 7-quart Milodon oil pan on it. Should be making approximately 350 horsepower and about 475 foot-pounds of torque. The engine was built to go into a 4x4 truck, so they weren't as concerned about horsepower as they were about torque. So it's got a small comp flat tappet cam in it. Should work really well for his application. Running it through a set of 1 5/8 headers. And so we can hear what we're doing while we're running it. We got a set of MagnaFlow mufflers on it while it's running. Let's go ahead and fire it up and take a look. Get a little heat in it. It runs really smooth even though it has a camshaft in it. Got to get it warmed up just a little bit. Still a little bit cold. Take a look. Got plenty of oil pressure at idle. The thing that impresses me is it's got quite a bit of vacuum, so it's work extremely well with power brake. It'll be very responsive. 6 pounds of fuel pressure. Let it get warmed up a little bit and hear how it sounds. Engine is extremely responsive, runs extremely well. Idling about 900 RPM, run very smooth. This engine would work fantastic any kind of muscle car, street car, especially the 4x4 truck that we had set up the application for. If you want to see any more of my engine builds, go to JMacPerformance.com.